Welcome back to the Bolt Hole Biker. About a month ago I fitted a booster plug to the Duke 790 which made a nice difference to the performance of the bike. And I mentioned at the time that I was also thinking of putting a K&N air filter on as well, just to see if I could increase the performance any more. So today's the day. I've bought a K&N filter. I'm going to fit it to the bike now, and then I'm going to take it for a ride, see if it makes any difference to the performance. So stick around and I will let you know what the results are.
Oh wow, what a difference. That is unbelievable. Just seems to spin up freer. Oh wow. Well, that is a more marked difference than when I put the booster plug on. I mean, that's instantly recognisable difference. Just feels like, without meaning to sound too cliched, the bike is just breathing more freely. It just feels like, imagine if you went for a run with a mask on, you know, one of these COVID-19 face coverings, which, you know, you could do. You wouldn't, but you could. You'd be able to run, but your breath would be a little bit restricted and it wouldn't be particularly comfortable. And then you took the mask off, and suddenly you could just breathe a bit more freely. That's what this feels like. It just feels like the engine's just working a bit easier, just spinning up a bit freer. It's lovely. It's really nice. The combination of the two, the booster plug and the K&N filter, have worked brilliantly. That really feels nice now. It feels almost like a different bike, to be honest with you. It's lovely. But out of the two, the most marked difference, the sort of most noticeable difference, is the filter. The booster plug's brilliant, but coupled with the filter, wow. Bit of gravel on this road. Whoa. Just don't want to tip too far into the bends when there's a big pile of gravel in the middle of it. There was nothing wrong with this bike in the first place, but just to get that little additional bit of power, which I think the booster plug did give, and then the way that the filter has just freed it up to allow that power to come out is very, very nice. Big tick for the K&M filter.
Well, I think the results are pretty conclusive there. That is definitely the best modification I've made to that bike for performance. And so cheap. I almost can't believe the differences that has made to the ride on that bike. I don't think it's made it any more powerful or anything like that, but it just feels more comfortable, just smoother, like it's just breathing better. It's what a brilliant thing. So definitely, I like the booster plug, but the air filter, that's really made a difference. That has really made a difference. I can definitely say that the K&N air filter is worth putting on your bike, 100%. And this isn't sponsored. I've got nothing to do with K&N. I just bought it and put it on. But fantastic. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope it's been useful. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please leave me a like. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget that there is a 1,000 subscriber giveaway on this channel at the moment. I'll leave a link to a video giving the details of that at the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.